without getting Indian citizenship. I want to ask the Indian government, I want to ask the Indian government and the Supreme Court of India, without getting an legal citizen, how can they rule in this land? How can they rule in the territory of India? Those who came from Pakistan, now Bangladesh, they are not citizen. According to Indian Constitution, they are not citizen. According to Article number 6, they are still not legal citizen. This is a gross violation of Indian Constitution. I want to ask the Indian government, you should know, you should respect your own Constitution. Not only that, you have broken the commitment you have given in the treaty that we have signed, the merger agreement, instrument accession. Our Maharani Kanchan Prabha Devi, the then Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, they have signed an agreement. After going into Indian Union, after merging into Indian Union, you will give us, you will save us. But nothing happened. Those who are coming illegally in this land, they are getting constitutional right. They are getting administration power. How they are getting political power? But the genuine citizen of India, the innocent, peace-loving people of, native people of, indigenous people of Tripura, they are not getting constitutional right. Why? This is a gross violation of Indian Constitution. You should respect your Constitution. So, our appeal to the Chief Justice of Supreme Court, we have filed repetition before you to update the NRC according to Article number 6 of the Indian Constitution. First, you implement the NRC in Tripura, and then you divide and you identify through NRC who is the illegal citizen who come from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan. First you identify, then you divide those illegal immigrants and you take them. You take them to all over Indian state. We have 36 states, including Indian in India. So you should be same. You should be same. You cannot pass. You cannot make the law without taking the consent of the indigenous people of Tripura. After 93%, muito kaki bagi desa. 1947 13 August, 1947 ni 17 तारीख August, India baiseng Mars kaya. British India International Treaty o sir British India ni thani o Tripura sign kaya. Maharani Kanchan Prabha Devi. Abani oro a sign ni mutabik a treaty ni according to treaty 1949 15 October sir India musagui matang. India government forcefully Indians naik baik kesino. Indian kapal di sini. Kya ba India demokratik kathang mane oro. Oh tei bahani rajniti tuma singkha. Muito khadi joto na diri okra sakra. Serai rebo tini itihas na muito khadi. Itihas na je ব্যক্তি siya. Itihas na je ব্যক্তি আলোচনা karimeya. Itihas na je ব্যক্তি সম্মান karimeya. Itihas na je ব্যক্তি সুরক্ষা karimeya. আর ব্যক্তি বা জাতি বা দেশ কোনদিন অস্তিত্ব কমিয়া 93% থেকে চিন্তানো শতকরা 93% টোটাল পপুলেশন স্যার 5,93,000 টোটাল পপুলেশন ত্রিপুরা হানি ত্রিপুরা সহকারে স্যার 5,41,000 এই 52,000 সিম্পনি বসা সাবরে ওয়ানসা থরকসা বড়নি গাবাইগিরি হাসতে হাকতনি Tapi bagi para 12,000 orang, bukan gara-gara sama Corona Bade, Ras Bongshoro, Ras Barigo Samkarana Bade, Patani Corona Hari Dormani, Bana Haza. Doubles increase in co. After Bano Hada Tomai, one such Roxa, Tinibasa, Solis not nearby. Musabarika, the person of the doubles in Bado. And Blacks Raka Ada Latomai, Tini Solis not, by the Tanka. After the Eculo Aesthetic Neta, after the Eculo Aesthetic Jonaka, what is a Bizarre from the Saraka, Saraka Tiri CPM Congress, Communist, BJP, Came to Saraya, Jonathan was Resunka, Sunya, Tiri Zarabiki, Pasa Jonathan Sunyako, Tanis and India Bakanko, Tirana Pashadan Sakoma, Tiritan and Sotanso, Kuroti Pasa Sunyamanka, Manya. Nili not the Bossaman Shokor Shoki by night, Nana, Puti Kuti and Ronai, Nanga, when you Bossama Shokor again. Ram, when you Bossama Shokor again. Nana, MP Ronai, you Bossama Shokor Shoki, Patani Barma, Tapaya, and MP Bossin again. MP, Mama Minister Ronai, Patani Lakula, Hindu Bangladesh, illegally migrant Bangladesh, when you not the local Kayanai, now MP Minister Nana Bossin again. Parliament CPM Congress, BJP Kanai, MP, MLA, Minister Chair, Dahrang, Bari Nibani Tinigosika Sandoka. Tamay, Paila Saksan is Ayana Sangana Iganan. Shokar Masana Tini of the Prasa Pakamani Hai Kamaya. Tini Prasa Pakamani Prasa is Saya, Suzupan, the India government, Shokumori Mana. Sama Pila Saya, the Prasa, Sama Pila Saya, the Prasa Netarab Saya. Tini tay pasan ya tak konsekan soy kerajaan kange. Kuno an bill pass kami ya tiba hao. Kuno bill pass kami ya. Kinta sotor pasal tiba hao tiba pasan ya tali pementai, Rashtriti ni pementai, CPM Congress, BJP tawan. Pada MLA po menteri po MP po macam-macam. Baru sang kami di mana tiba hao tiba sarap orang dosa malu.
Belai kena hambai tripuri korang nai tong nai ta hukte buku sono sini channel tahu bon norok subscribe kelaya ko hangkang kan dak tino subscribe kelai di jot pen sekang video norok nuk na bagai abon bagi ta makna video ni tolong norok nugo yagra phai sing subscribe ni suija kesak kelai abon klik kelai di klik kelai mani loge no kaisa bell hai kelai nuk jaga na nukjaka a bell klik kelai re klik kelai re kha ke sing video upload kelai mani loge no norok video nugana joton sekang nugana abone bagai belakano hambai nai tong di